Found this Inky abstract on Pinterest and thought, you know what, sure. Starting with a base of cream mist, we're then gonna go in with the round brush and our colors. I'm diffusing out the colors with my round brush, making a nice gradient, wiping my brush off so I don't have too much product, and curing intermittently through the process to add intensity. I'm letting the salmon coral go a little bit more on tour because I like that it has a patina kind of look. Cure it and then smooth it all out with milky white and then cure that. To add a little bit of depth and reinforce the intensity, I'm just adding a little bit more of each color at the gradient, curing it, and then we're going in with our Velvet Matte non-white top coat. And New Year, New You, the bleeding inks from Kokoist have been revamped. They have a little detail brush on them. They are so nice. But if you know, I came from a makeup background and I just had this idea, let me just play with a doe foot applicator, like a little lip gloss applicator, to move my alcohol inks around and see what happens. And you know that saying, like, we make plans and God laughs? I kind of feel that way about alcohol inks. It's like, best intentions, it's still kind of do what it wants to do. But I really wanted to experiment with the alcohol inks in the doe foot over a matte top coat, as well as a normal, like, art clear layer. And I'm just using this busted old cleanup brush to move it around a little bit more. After the ink's dry, I'm adding a couple of swatches of Tortoise and then curing. And then going in with a layer of art clear and curing that. And you can see the difference in the way the bleeding inks move over a layer of art clear that's cured versus the matte layer. This is what happens when you put too much on the doe foot. But we're gonna go with it. Got a little coffee stain kind of vibe, just letting it bloom. Let it dry down a little bit, add a little more detail. I'm just using a mix of alcohol and acetone to move this around a little bit and create those ink blotty splotches. This is so satisfying. We've got the doe foot, we're splotching, we're blotching, we're letting it bleed, we're adding a little more flavor. I've yet to meet an abstract look that is not made better by the presence of strategically placed dots. So we're gonna go ahead and do that with the BC1 Black. Cure it and pop that ultra glossy on, and you've got a glossy, inky abstract. Thanks again for hanging. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial.